Hi my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to insert Picture SmartArt Graphics in Microsoft Word. So in this case we have to take the any kinds of Microsoft Word file. Here already I have taken. See the insert option, click, then go to the Smart Arts. Here are lots of things. So here if we click this picture, any kinds of picture, see. So picture accents process, so used to show sequential steps in a task process or workflow. So the rectangular shape in the background are designed to contain picture which we want to take according to our project. So click OK. See, the things has been here. Before that we will do the layout option. So here with the text wrapping, so click here, then we can move it easily with the text. Now we will do the smart art style. See, style. Also change color. See, wonderful way we can change the color in this way and the easily way. Now we want to do the format. So here the shape, if we want to fill this in this way, you can do this. Also the shape outline. So here before that we will color selected, then we'll give the border. See, the border has been increases all the sides. So now we will do the shape effect. So how? Before that we have to select this picture or select this smart art icon. So here lots of options. See, in this we can do this thing. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.